Governor Mike Braun tackled several key campaign points during his speech to the General Assembly. This included future action on health care measures and property tax relief. The address marks Mike Braun's first as governor of Indiana. Braun welcomed those in the State House, reflecting on the years he spent as senator.
It is good to be back in this chamber. Remember, I spent 3 years here, so sat right back in that section.
Many of the topics touched on align with changes happening at the federal level, including the push to eliminate DEI initiatives. Braun signed off on several executive orders within the first few days in office. 9 of those orders pertain to health care.
Hoosiers pay some of the highest health care costs in the country, but we don't get the best health care results in return.
His goal is to bring full price transparency to Hoosiers before they receive care. He says he believes the Legislative Assembly is committed to making that happen.
Pull back the curtain on health care prices, bring down costs. I directed our state agencies to bring full price transparency to health care services so Hoosiers are empowered to shop around with clear, upfront prices. When providers compete, prices drop. I directed our agencies to address the misaligned incentives causing high drug prices.
Another key promise from the Braun administration is reducing the income tax burden. Braun has proposed plans to limit yearly tax hikes for Hoosiers, farm owners, and businesses, as well as roll back property tax bills for homeowners to pre-COVID levels.
Plenty of room there to make sure that we exercise good judgment and don't be overbearing to the taxpayer.
Concerns have been raised about funding cuts to local governments, schools, and first responders. Braun says he will hold future talks with local governments about lowering income taxes. He wrapped up his speech calling for collaboration across party lines as he begins his term as governor. Reporting from West Lafayette, I'm Ella Chu.